Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty say me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on Love Galore who never lost control. Plus a supermodel. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't filmed in a while for you guys, but I have like a vlog coming up. And you guys see I'm like in my pajamas, mad comfy, whatever. It's like one of those days after I get out of work, so yeah. But as you guys can tell by the title, I will be doing the spring FabFitFun box for you guys. And I kind of have a sneak peek in it already, guys. And oh my goodness, I'm in love. I think this might be the best box I ever received. So if you guys want to see what I got in the box, then just keep on watching. It's the box, guys. Isn't it so colorful and playful? It's so gorgeous. Just look at all the different types of butterflies. It's just so springy. That's not even a word, but you guys know what I mean. And when you open it, this is how it looks. Ooh. So this is how it looks when you open it. More butterflies inside. And then of course they give you like HelloFresh coupons and stuff, and it also has like a magazine in here with a lot of interesting stuff to read, and also like the beauty products that are in here. Isn't this cute, guys? It has like a butterfly sticker. I don't think they have butterflies in the other one. I don't know, I never really pay attention. Now when you open it up, here are all the goodies. You guys know the drill. I will tell you guys the products that I have in here and tell you how much they actually are. So the first thing that I see here is from Pearlist. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. And this is the Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polish and Peel. So I wonder if this is like a mask. Should be a mask because it's like a peel thing. Actually, guys, it's actually a exfoliator. So it says that it's a skin smoothing, energizing face polish infused with glycolic acid to gently exfoliate and brighten skin for a radiant complexion in only 2 minutes. I'm very excited to try this out. I need more of like a glow to my face since it's like almost spring already. And it has vitamins A, B, and C and antioxidant that are vital for skin health, leche, and beet renewed skin. I'm actually really excited to try this out, guys. And look at this package. So freaking gorgeous. Watermelon all around. I don't know if you guys could see. This product right here is $18, guys. Okay, so the next product here is by WEI. W-E-I. Do you guys see that right there? I don't know if you guys could see because like the sunlight from the window is like really bright. But this is a 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask collection. The box is really beautiful as well, guys. It's like springtime vibes for me with like butterflies here and then like flowers. So when you open it up, oh, it comes with a brush as well. What? Wow. So it comes with like a face mask brush, and then in each of this pod here it has like a mask. This is actually really cute and cool. Of course that will happen. But yeah, so it just comes in this kind of pod right here. This is actually good for like traveling as well. I'm very excited to try this out, guys. So there's like two kind of masks here, guys. So one of them is golden root, and this is a purifying mud mask, and then the other one is brown sugar, and this is ready glow exfoliated mask. And those masks, guys, are $45. Ooh, what is this? It's like a clothing item. Well, it's not like it is a clothing item. So excited. Maybe it's like a cardigan or like a sweater. I was going to say a hoodie, but I'm like, it's a spring box. I don't think it's a hoodie. It looks like more like a cardigan. Yep, it is a cardigan. Oh, this is cute. I love how neutral the color is, and it has pockets right here. You guys know I love anything with pocket. This is very nice. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely will be wearing this in the springtime a lot. And I like how it's not long sleeve, it's like 3/4 of a sleeve. Love that. And this baby here is $99. The next product here that I have is Marianella Rosewood and Litzy Cuba Body Oil with Mongongo and pomegranate oil. So I guess this is like a body oil. I never really like used body oil, but I'm excited to try this out because apparently it's like supposed to like moisturize your skin and replenish your skin the way nature intended, with no harsh chemicals or additives, leaving you with a beautiful and healthy youthful glow. This product here is $68, guys. Okay, so the next product here is by Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. So this is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So I believe this is like a lotion, right? Actually no, well, a lotion for your body actually, because it's a body cocoon. So yeah, so I'm actually excited to try this out. So you could use this like every morning and night. This product right here is $40. Okay, so the next product here is by AG Hair Care. So this is like a hair care product. It says fast food here, and this is a leave-on condition. So it's supposed to like moisturize your hair, and it says that it's supposed to like smooth and calms your frizziness, thick and coarse hair instantly. Okay, I really need this because you guys see I have like freaking frizzy hair, and I've been trying to find like the perfect product that like, well, not the perfect product, the product that actually works for my type of hair to like remove the frizz and like smooth it down and stuff instead of like being all over the place. And this product here is $24. Ooh, okay. So I always wanted like these straws, guys. This is like a silicone straw, so there's 4 of them in there. There's a brush cleaner and also a plastic case for you to put the straw in. Oh my goodness, so freaking cute. Look at the packaging, and I believe it comes in 4 different colors. Let me open it. Yes, it does. I see it. Look how pretty they are. Oh my goodness. And it has a brush cleaner, a straw cleaner. So cute. And it says it has a case as well. Yep. Oh, look at it. What the hell? So I wonder if these are like bendable to fit the case. I'm just gonna open one and try it out. These are really pretty. I'm really about to like take one and bring it everywhere with me. Oh yeah, it's like foldable, you see? Foldable, bendable, whatever. So like it should fit in the case and it wouldn't like do damage to it. So you just put it in the case like this, I guess. Cute. I was thinking about getting one like on Amazon, but since the box came with it, now I don't have to. So this product here is $15, guys. Very cute. It's like spring color as well. Alright, so the last product here, guys, is by Cowpack, and oh my goodness, I heard of this brand all over Instagram, but I never actually got anything from them, but people say it's really good. Like they sell like luggage and packing cubes like these. Oh my goodness, I wish they had sent this like before I went to the Nashville trip, because then I could have used this on the trip. I think there's like 3 pouch in here. Let me look at the magazine. Right? Yeah, 3 packs. Yep, 3 pouch. And this is like $40, guys. And it's so big too. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see like all of the sizes. So obviously this one here is the large size, and then there's a medium size right here, and then the small one as well. I really love this, guys, because it's so spacious. And this is a small one, by the way, guys. But yeah, as I was saying, it's like so spacious, and it also has a pouch in the back as well, so you could just put anything in here as well on all of it. Wow, love it. Okay, now it makes me want to travel somewhere so I could use this, guys. Okay guys, before I end this video, of course you guys know your girl got you guys. So I got you guys with a discount code, which I will leave down in the description box, so be sure to use it and check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold a crown,